ARMN Stock Analysis Price Prediction News. In this quick and short 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I will trade Aris Mining stock. We're sitting at 934, but all I'm still going to stick to is just my strategy that I've refined over 47,000 videos. So ultimately, yes, I'm just looking at ARMN. Bro, this is just a bullish market for me. And I'm not even trying to be that bad guy, you know, that's going to see here, you know. You might be like, oh, he's just talking crap. Bro, I have all the proof, you know what I mean? So, unironically with ARMN, I'm just looking to double down and buy. But only if it gives me the double break what I look to buy. So, just like that. And without any solid double break, I'm not looking to buy. That's it. So, all I'm doing in the meantime, I'm just waiting for rules. So if you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.